Which operator is used for simple assignment in C++? The equality operator. The operator. The assignment operator. The dash arrow operator. The assignment operator. The single equals sign is the assignment operator. The double equals sign is the equality comparison operator. Which operator is used to find the remainder of a division? The slash division operator. The asterisk multiplication operator. The rem keyword. The percent modulo operator. The percent modulo operator. The percent operator is the modulo or modulus operator, which returns the remainder of integer division. For example, 10% 3 is 1. What is the is not equal to sign operator used for? Assignment. Logical and. Comparison not equal to. Logical not. Comparison not equal to. The is not equal to sign operator is the not equal to comparison operator. It returns true if the two operands are not equal. What does the plus plus operator do? Adds two variables. Increments a variable's value by 1. Multiplies a variable by 2. Performs exponentiation. Increments a variable's value by 1. The plus plus operator is the increment operator. It increases the value of an integer variable by 1. X plus plus, post-increment, and plus plus x, pre-increment, both increment x. What is the result of the expression, true and false? True. False. 1. 0. False. The and logical and operator returns true only if both operands are true. Since one is false, the entire expression is false. What is the result of the expression, true, false? True. False. 1. 0. True. The logical OR operator returns true if at least one of the operands is true. Since the first operand is true, the result is true. Which operator is the logical negation operator? The logical not operator. The and logical and operator. The logical OR operator. The bitwise not operator. The logical not operator. The exclamation point. Logical not operator inverts the truth value of its operand. True becomes false, and false becomes true. Tilde is the bitwise not operator. What does the size of operator return? The value of the variable. The memory address of the variable. The size of a variable or type in bytes. The number of elements in an array. The size of a variable or type in bytes. Size of is a compile-time operator that returns the amount of memory, in bytes, occupied by a data type or a variable. What does the expression x plus equals 5 do? Assigns 5 to x. Checks if x is equal to 5. It is a syntax error. Adds 5 to x and assigns the result back to x. Adds 5 to x and assigns the result back to x. The plus equals operator is a compound assignment operator. X plus equals 5 is shorthand for x equals x plus 5. Which operator has the highest precedence? Parentheses / function call. Asterisk, multiplication. Plus, addition. Equals, assignment. Parentheses / function call. Scope resolution, smiley face, function call, and member access, have the highest precedence, evaluated from left to right. Multiplication, asterisk, and addition, plus, come next, and assignment, equal sign has very low precedence. Which operator is the ternary operator, conditional operator? The and, logical and, operator. The ternary operator. The logical or operator. The scope resolution operator. The ternary operator. The operator is the ternary conditional operator. It's a shortcut for an if-else statement. Condition? Value underscore if underscore true, value underscore if underscore false. What is the bitwise and operator? The and, logical and, operator. The logical or, operator. The and, bitwise and, operator. The bitwise or, operator. The and, bitwise and, operator. The single ampersand and is the bitwise and operator. And is the logical and operator. What is the bitwise or operator? The and, logical and, operator. The logical or, operator. The and, bitwise and, operator. The bitwise or, operator. The bitwise or, operator. The single pipe is the bitwise or operator. Is the logical or operator. Which operator is used to get the memory address of a variable? The asterisk operator. The and, ampersand, operator. The dash arrow, operator. The double colon, operator. The and, ampersand, operator. The and operator, when used before a variable name, is the address of operator. It returns a pointer to the variable's location in memory. Which operator is used to access the value stored at a memory address held by a pointer? The asterisk operator. The and, ampersand, operator. The dash arrow, operator. The dot, operator. The asterisk operator. The asterisk operator, when used before a pointer variable, is the dereference operator. It goes to the address and retrieves the value stored there. What is the scope resolution operator? The dash arrow, operator. The dot, operator. The double colon, operator. The and, ampersand, operator. The double colon, operator. The colon operator is the scope resolution operator. It is used to access static members, specify namespaces, like std, cout, or access members of a base class. What is the bitwise XOR operator? The caret operator. The exclamation mark operator. The XOR keyword. The tilde operator. The caret operator. The caret symbol caret is the bitwise XOR, exclusive OR, operator. It sets a bit to 1 if the two corresponding bits are different. Which operator is used to access members of an object using a pointer? The dot operator. The double colon operator. The and ampersand operator. The dash arrow operator. The dash arrow operator. The dash arrow operator is used to access a member of an object when you have a pointer to that object. The dot operator is used when you have the object itself. Which operator is used to access members of an object directly, not using a pointer? The dot operator. The double colon operator. The asterisk operator. The dash arrow operator. The dot operator. The dot operator is used to access a member of an object directly. The dash arrow operator is used when you have a pointer to the object. What is the result of the bitwise left shift operation for 1, 2, 4, 8, 1? Eight. The number 4 in binary is 100. A left shift 1 shifts all bits 1 position to the left, filling the new space with a 0. So, 100 becomes 1000, which is the number 8 in decimal.